So when you enter, here is our front door. It's actually a pretty big door. And we put up some art here. We've got our trash can, and this bowl holds our umbrellas, and this is just extra contact paper that we had. We also have this mirror here, but I think we're gonna move it. This is just, we wanted to put something up here. I would like to get an entryway table and something for a few pairs of shoes so it doesn't feel just kind of like this random mirror. We have some storage over here, but let's start in the kitchen. So these were originally a bright green. I may have a picture and I will insert it, but Austin did a great job of putting contact paper on all of these cabinets. I actually think if you look inside, it still has it. They were all this green color. And we're like, absolutely not. So did that, which was quite an excursion. And we also hung up some art here. You guys will remember my avocado cutting board. This is new. These we just had in the other parts of the house, but now we've put them up here. Got some little plant babies. Our fruit bowl, usual. We now have a full-size dishwasher, which is really exciting. So it like saves lives, especially when we're having people over. All these cabinets have a mix of things. We also have a much bigger oven as well, and these really cool cabinets that come out. You guys complained last time about me opening the cabinets, so I won't show you, but these two, this one as well, are very cool and space resourceful. So up here we've got our spices, our knives, utensils, and then down here we had a choice between a microwave or a toaster oven, and we went toaster oven. As you guys know, it's a tough scenario with any apartment, and I think we were hoping we would have a little bit more space in the kitchen, but it did not seem to be the case. So that's a little bit of a bummer. We have pots and pans in there, which maybe we could have put something in, but for now, that's it. The other thing you noticed is the fridge. It's ginormous, and we now have a freezer on the bottom, fridge on the top. It's huge. It's the biggest fridge I've had in New York. And then I'm gonna quickly share the bathroom. It's nothing too exciting. It's about the same, it's a little bit bigger than my other bathroom. The thing that's hard is I like love this medicine cabinet because it's huge, but it comes out further than the drawers. So me and Austin have both knocked our head against that thing. Then we have our towels, etc., hanging on the back. And here are two storage closets. We won't go too in depth in them, but we've had to be a little bit particular about how we store things here because there is space, but you still need to be practical with it. So this is kind of our utility closet slash coats. Up top we have a good amount of space for whatever may come our way, but it's just nice to have some space. And then we'll start with the living room, kitchen. We did keep the bar stools. For now they are here. They're nice to eat at if we don't want to eat at the table, but I don't know if at some point we end up selling them or getting rid of them. It is a tight corner right here. The table is from Apartment Deco. I believe it's West Elm. So are the chairs. It comes with an expandable piece, and that's really great if we're having a lot of friends over. Can fit everyone. Then we've got the bar cart, which is quite stocked these days. Austin's artwork that I believe he's gonna redo this painting, put something else, and then we would have it up, maybe above the TV. My gold mirror from Target, and we just got this bookcase from IKEA. We had a lot of books. Austin and I are big readers, so if you guys remember my bookshelf before, you all made fun of me for the How to Not Die book, where there's plenty more here that are potentially even funnier. So yeah, there's that. And then let's move on to the living room. We have some Christmas decor up. My same couch. We took the ottoman part and put it as a third piece in the middle, which works a lot better for the layout of the room. This is just a little Wayfair coffee table. And we got a few trinkets on here, just some candles. And underneath we have, you guessed it, more books. These are cookbooks that I think would stick out a little too much on this guy. Then I've got some Christmas decor put up because it's time. Our credenza is from Crate and Barrel. It's really nice because she obviously has storage in here. So we got some drawers in there. TV has stayed the same. I think it works for now. Another one of Austin's artwork. Got my snake plant right here. Some ornaments and then just some vases. I have my little roller cart hiding here. I don't know when we will need it, but we will need it at some point. So I've got that ready to go. And it's very concealed in the corner, especially when you got the tree. This is Austin's workspace. He gets to work right here. And then we've got a balcony out there. We didn't decorate the balcony because we moved at like a weird point where it's kind of only going to be able to enjoy it for a month. So I think this summer we'll definitely have it. I've got my fig plant, and then we got a Big Daddy fig plant as well that we bought. Probably one of the most exciting things is this lamp. It's from Crate and Barrel. It fits just so well in the room, and I think everyone who comes over compliments this lamp. So clearly it's a crowd favorite. I've got my Dyson back here, and we're going to the bedroom, which Austin's in right now. You don't have to leave. You're so weird. Same gold mirror that I used to have in my living room, now in the bedroom. We added this cowhide rug from IKEA, just give it some flavor. We've got matching lamps, the Marilyn photos, another one of Austin's art. Got our hamper, and this is our closet. It's filled to the brim in here. Sharing a closet is always hard when it's this size. So I've got my side, Austin's side. Up top we've got so much stuff. I think the next step would be to have like a bin or something for above so that it wouldn't feel so chaotic in there. And then we have this side. I think we're gonna switch this lamp out. For now it does its purpose, but it's sort of just, I think this detailing doesn't go super well with the room. And then Austin has a few of these photos up above. This is for now just what it is. I don't know if we're gonna put anything there, but it works. And here is my office desk space, which Austin built me the other day. It's the Alex desk from IKEA. Nothing fancy, but it works. And I have some drawers in there, which is also nice for extra storage. And then we've got a chair that's also Austin's. This side is Austin's. And then we have the Yoko Ono photo. That is the end of our tour. I've answered a few questions in a previous video, but we've been living here for about 4.5 months. A lot of this stuff we did move with us, but there are definitely some new pieces as well, and we still do have a few things to do here and there. I think the next step would be to put curtains up because we currently only have like a blackout shade, and then maybe the entryway. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was really fun filming it. I love sharing these with you. Please subscribe down below, and I will see you all in the next one.